Hi, welcome to Simple Scuba. These are the Scubapro Seawing Novas, but in a full-foot version. So it's the same great design and innovative technologies built into the original open hill Seawing Nova fins, but just with a nice soft foot pocket on it. So we'll run through the same features. So it's a pivot or a hinge style fin blade. So just on the back you've got a ribbed section, and that's there to allow it to sort of flex. So as you kick, it's allowed to flex and give the blade its optimum angle to give the best propulsion, so the most efficient propulsion at the best angle. So the harder you kick, the more it will flex and give you more propulsion basically. So if you're doing light kicking, it will only flex a little bit, and it's basically there just to give the best efficiency for the amount of energy that you're putting in. So you've got these big bars with these pivoting points or hinge points in the centre that allow the blade to flex to its optimal angle. It's got a standard style blade, but it's what they call a clean water design. So there's very, very little to get in the way of the water as it flows into the working areas of the blade. And then these little channels basically help control the water as it flows down, giving the least resistance on the water as possible to give you best propulsion. So you're losing less energy through turbulence. And you just got these little arced tips on the edges here. They're there to give better stability as the fin is pushing for the water. So if you're finning hard, normally the blade would start waving, but that's there to keep it nice and stable, stops the energy being spent, being wasted off to the end of the blade. It's a very high-tech blade using a clean water sort of design to give you less turbulence over the blade. Because it's a standard blade, obviously that flex is controlled using these bars as they go out. So getting more flex towards the tip, obviously where the blade starts to thin out. You can see that again on the bottom, big bar at the front, so the flexibility to control at the top, but giving more flexibility at the bottom. On the side of the foot pocket, again you can see the big reinforcing bars go along the side most of the way up the foot pocket. Again, that's just there to make sure that power is transferred from your foot to the blade as efficiently as possible. We don't want anything lost to lower the propulsion. Bottom of the foot pocket's got some nice little raised and ridges and patterns to give you better friction as you're walking around. And the back of the foot pocket, you've got a nice big grip tab to help get the foot pocket on and off. And just on the bottom of the foot pocket where the toes are, you've got a couple of little cutout sections there. That's to prevent vacuum building up and allow any water to drain out. So you don't get vacuum, so you can get your foot on and off much easier, and also allows it to drain the water out. So if you're drying it up, the water can drain out. So full foot version of very innovative and very popular Scubapro Seawing fins. Obviously very high quality, and so very, very innovative, high technology gone into it. Fantastic fins. That's the Scubapro Seawing full foot.